In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set up local pickup on Shopify. This feature is highly useful for customers who prefer to collect their orders in person. Let's begin by navigating towards the shipping and delivery settings. You can do this from your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, locate the Settings tab and choose the option that says Shipping and Delivery. This is your first step toward enabling the local pickup option on your Shopify store. Next, we need to turn on the Pickup in Store feature. To do this, simply look for the section titled Pickup in Store. Here you'll find an option to set it up. Click on this, and you're closer to offering your customers the convenience of local store pickup. The following step involves selecting your pickup locations. This can be a single location or multiple ones, depending on the operation scale of your business. For those with a single location, look for it in the provided list and select it. If your business operates across several locations or branches, you need to click on Add Location. From here, choose the location where you wish to give the option of local pickup to your customers. If you are still in the process of setting your store location or haven't done so yet, you can add it under the Settings menu, specifically under the Location subsection. This information is quite vital, so ensure you do this step as instructed by the Circle Studio article. The next part of the setup involves configuring the pickup settings. Firstly, select a convenient expected pickup date processing time. This option will be visible from a drop-down menu. The selected date and time will be shown to your customers to guide them about when their orders will be ready for pickup. Besides setting the pickup time, you can also set up store transfers if that's relevant to your operations. Additionally, you have the option to add specific instructions, which can come in handy if there are particular guidelines or points you want your customers to be aware of regarding pickups at your location. The very last step in this process is to save all the changes you've made. You can do this by clicking on the Save button. With this step, you successfully activate the local pickup option for your selected store location or locations. That concludes the setup process. With this done, your customers can now choose local pickup at checkout, thus offering them added convenience and flexibility while shopping from your store. Happy selling!